Hi, I'm excited to share a new capability that gives users more ways than ever to solve analytical problems with Snowflake. Alteryx has created Snowflake Execution for Desktop, which enables customers to build an analytic workflow in Designer, save the workflow to Alteryx Analytics Cloud Platform, and run the entire workflow in Snowflake's Snowpark Container Services. To see it in action, we'll walk through a real-life use case where we'll build a predictive model that executes in Snowflake, all without using code or moving data outside of Snowflake. Have you ever walked into a Las Vegas buffet and wondered how much food is left over at the end of the night? How do they know how much people will eat and if they can still make a profit on the price of the food? How many servers should be paid for any given night? If you run a buffet, you'll want to predict these things so you can plan for demand. We'll need to test several data sets to determine if they influence the volume of customers, and then we'll build a predictive model. That's something you can do in Alteryx Designer using our no-code building blocks. So let's take a look at how it all works. We'll start by connecting our data in Snowflake and in local files, including historical conference attendance, US federal holidays, and weather data sourced from the Snowflake Data Marketplace. Datasets aren't clean, of course, so we'll use Alteryx Designer to apply filters, logic formulas, aggregations, and blend all of these datasets together. We'll want to understand how our variables influence the number of expected attendees, so we're using data investigation tools. We can see the plot of means charts for dinner attendees by day of week, for example, or correlation matrices and scatter plots of dinner attendees versus conference attendees. Next, we want to select our model. We'll use a forest model in this case to build the model with our training data set. We can see the model performance, and with the score tool, we connect our test data from Snowflake, and we're able to predict buffet attendance for our upcoming year schedule. I've also created a simple PDF report that will be generated after my workflow is run. So let's kick off an execution. Here we're leveraging the power of Snowflake to execute in Snowpark Container Services. When you execute a designer workflow in Snowpark Container Services, you can use any of the 160 tools supported on the Linux build of the AMP engine, including these more advanced data science tools. The Alteryx Cloud Execution option allows us to package this workflow, upload it to the Alteryx Analytics Cloud Platform, and select the Snowflake execution option. Once the execution is complete, we can see that we have generated our PDF reports. Here's the summary of our model predictions, and we found that conference attendees was our best predictor of buffet attendance, and that our model is most accurate for conferences occurring on weekends and on Mondays. So that's how we do it. You just saw it's as easy as 3 steps. We build the workflow in Designer Desktop using our drag and drop tools. We save the workflow as a package to the Alteryx Analytics Cloud Platform, and we schedule and run the workflow in Snowflake. Using Alteryx Designer's drag and drop tools, you could take advantage of the advanced capabilities that Snowpark Container Services offers without needing specific coding skills. I showed you how you can do everything from joining disparate data sets to building a linear regression model, all within the Snowflake ecosystem. Snowflake and Alteryx are excited to see how more people find creative ways to solve their data challenges with this new functionality. Happy solving. Thank you.